Hi, Carol Church here. Today we are in Inman, South Carolina. It is a city in Spartanburg County, South Carolina. We are in the cute little quaint downtown Main Street. It is historic down here. So it is a growing community with plenty of attractive neighborhoods, great schools, a great place to live and work. So downtown they have many events, like they have parade in the Christmas season. They have the Harvest Day, okay? They also have summer concerts. It's named the small town with a big heart. And I will have to say a big thing around here is the District 1 schools. Chapman High School is a very good high school, okay, award-winning. Lake Cooley Park is only 3.4 miles away from here. And be sure to be on the lookout for the new Saluda Grade Rail Trail coming up, okay? It's going to start in Inman, and it's going to be very similar to the Swamp Rabbit Trail that runs through Greenville, and similar to the Virginia Creeper Trail. So both of those are a big deal. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I hope it comes to fruition. We are here on a Monday, so it's not real busy. A lot of these shops are closed on Mondays in the small towns like this. But this happens to be one of our favorite places, is the creperie here, the crepe factory. We love it. Everything they have is very good. And there's plenty to choose from, plenty of shopping, restaurants, cute little boutiques, and a brand new library. So yes, Inman is very up and coming. So if you love small town charm, this is the place. Thank you very much. Enjoy the video.
Come along as we drive around Inman, South Carolina, the cute little downtown area. It is in Spartanburg County, South Carolina, established in 1882, once known for peaches. The population as of 2022 is just over 3,148. The median home price per Zillow at this time is around $285,400. So yes, we are traveling on the South Main Street area, and we're going to show you a new library that was built in 2022 that's very nice. And we'll also be showing you Chapman High School, which is award-winning, and I will have a link below for the schools. It's Spartanburg County District 1 schools, and that is grades 9 through 12. So I also wanted to give you some things that are not far from this downtown area in Inman. Lake Cooley Park is only 3.4 miles away. There is a Food Lion grocery store only 7.4 miles away. Greenville, South Carolina is only 25 miles away. Spartanburg is only 14.6 miles away from this location. And the North Carolina border is only 15 miles away from here. Boiling Springs, South Carolina is only 8.5 miles away. So yes, we are coming up on the newer library. It's very nice. So I think one of the biggest things coming to this area, I really do hope that it happens, is the Saluda Grade Trail. As I said, it's similar to the Swamp Rabbit Trail in Greenville and the Virginia Creeper Trail. So that will bring a lot of, business and just everything, just a big boost to this area in Inman, South Carolina. So yes, Mike and I thank you so much for joining us as we toured the downtown area of Inman, South Carolina. Feel free to reach out to us and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I've included a couple maps for your enjoyment. And we thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.